Let me go and see. It is one of the hunter's jeep. Something fishy. Yes, that's right. Something has gone wrong. The jeep is here. Where has the hunter gone? Appu, you can get inside and hide. He will definitely not find me now. Appu, get down fast.
At last your father agreed to pay 2 crores. Once I get the money, I will decide whether to leave you or not. Now be quiet, don't scream.
How will we go inside now? I have an idea. I will go inside. You come towards the kitchen. I will open that. That's a great idea. The hunter is sleeping now. You come inside. Tinku, you don't worry. You can come out and hide there.
No, he will kill you.
You don't worry. I'll take care of him. You run fast. Everything is ready. You go fast. Yes, you can call him now. All right, let's begin.
Hey, is that you? I will not leave you.
Yeah, we will see. Run! Go and tell this information to the police station. Yes, I am going right now.